Thought I'd share this real quick. This is my order from the Swiss knife shop. I ordered some springs, 3 springs and a toothpick. That's because when you order things from the Swiss knife shop, your order has to be $4.95, a minimum order of $4.95, but they do offer free shipping on that. So this to fix my Swiss Army knife here. Actually, and to add the toothpick to the other one that I've got. Just a quick mention for the Swiss knife shop, which I have no affiliation with whatsoever. I ordered these parts on January 27th and they're at my door January 31st, and that's with free shipping. So that's pretty amazing. Anyhow, let's go ahead, use one of those springs and get the Swiss Army knife fixed. As you can see right there on the scissors, the spring is broken, and it's been broken for a long time, just simply because I've never had an opportunity or even thought about fixing it or replacing it. So we're going to take one of these new springs from the Swiss knife shop, pop it into this old knife. She'll be good as new. Just a few items of business before we get started here. I'm going to be using the pliers on the Deluxe Tinker Swiss Army knife to help me repair the scissors on my other Swiss Army knife. And just in case you're wondering, the spring on those pliers there is absolutely the same size as the one to replace the scissors. So, hey, it helps that I got 3 springs in the kit altogether. And also, yes, I put some medical tape there, ironically, on the blades of my scissors, you know, so I don't cut myself in this process. Safety first, people. So, let's go ahead and start this process by removing the old broken spring. There we go, the old broken spring is out. Time to put the new spring in. So I examined this point here on the Swiss Army knife where this little tiny loop fits in. And since I had 3 different springs, of course, I'm going to try to find the one that's going to fit in there the easiest. And just as a heads up, there is no better side. Both of them are both the same. There's like no side has like a little, I don't know what they would call that, like a little indent or something to make it easier to slide that end of that spring in there. So you can go ahead and put it in from either side. It's simply a matter of lining it up, squeezing it on in there. See what I did there? I went ahead and fed the spring underneath that one arm of the scissors. Then it comes around, and now I'm holding it over that spot where it needs to be pressed in. I do this that way there's tension kind of pulling the spring into place instead of that being on top and having the tendency to pop back out. And you can see how that's starting to line up. That spring lines up with where it's supposed to go in to that hole right there. And that's it for this video. Both of our Swiss Army knives are back in tip-top condition. If you found any value in this video, feel free to share it on your social media platform of choice. Feel free to leave me a comment down below if you have any ideas or suggestions for other videos. And until next time, maybe, just maybe, I'll see you on the next video. If you enjoy videos about the randomness of our amazing world, consider clicking on the globe to subscribe, or maybe checking out one of the other videos right here.